How to make Cajun citrus marinade at home, tangy and spicy. Did you know that a marinade can elevate your dish from ordinary to extraordinary in just a few hours? Let's uncover the secrets behind a tangy and spicy Cajun citrus marinade. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to make a delicious Cajun citrus marinade right at home. It's perfect for grilling or roasting your favorite proteins. Trust me, once you try this, you'll want to use it on everything. Now, let's talk about a common struggle many home cooks face. You know how it goes? You whip up a marinade, but somehow it ends up bland or way too salty. And let's not even get started on those overly sweet marinades that just mask the flavor of the meat. It's frustrating, right? You want something that enhances your dish, not overpowers it. Finding that right balance of flavors can feel like an uphill battle, especially with all the options out there. But don't worry, today we're going to solve that problem together with this Cajun citrus marinade that's bursting with flavor. All right, let's dive into the essential ingredients for this marinade. First off, we've got our fresh citrus, think oranges, lemons, and limes. They bring that zesty kick that will make your taste buds dance. Then we're adding some classic Cajun spices like paprika, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. These spices not only pack a punch, but also add depth to the flavors. Don't forget about olive oil. It helps to emulsify everything and keeps your proteins juicy. We'll also throw in some salt and pepper to tie it all together. Now, the magic happens when you combine these ingredients. You want to make sure they blend well to maximize the flavor impact. So, grab a bowl and let's mix it up. Okay, it's time for the fun part. Watch as I demonstrate the marinade preparation step by step. First, we'll zest and juice our citrus fruits into a mixing bowl. The aroma is already amazing. Next, we'll add in the olive oil, then the spices, and of course, a good pinch of salt and pepper. Now whisk it all together until it's well combined. You want to ensure the spices are evenly distributed throughout. Once that's done, you can either use it right away or let it sit for a bit to deepen those flavors. And here's a tip. Marinating your protein for at least 30 minutes to a couple of hours will really make a difference. For chicken or fish, I recommend marinating for about an hour. Trust me, this step is crucial. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap what we've done. We started with fresh citrus, combined it with some Cajun spices, olive oil, and seasoning. We whisked it all together, and now you have a tangy and spicy Cajun citrus marinade that's ready to elevate your favorite proteins. It's super simple, and I promise you'll be hooked. Before you go, don't forget to leave a comment sharing your marinade experiences. I love hearing what you all come up with. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my next one for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.